Hey guys, if your tire is leaking air and you don't know where it is coming from and you don't have a nail in the tire, sometimes it is in the valve stem right here. If you spray on it with water and soap, you see air bubbles coming out from the valve stem area, just like mine. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So a simple fix would be tightening down the nut, but if your nut is already tightened, then there's other issues in this valve stem, so we're gonna have to break the bead and remove it and see where it's coming from. Make sure you're wearing earmuff before you do this. So for this valve stem, I need to remove the cap and the Schrader valve and then remove the nut. Alright, now I'm going to remove the TPMS sensor. Alright, first you want to make sure this mounting part is clean of debris and rocks, which can prevent it from sealing properly. So I'm cleaning out with a rag. Looks good to me. And then we're going to look at the TPMS sensor. So the washer goes on top here and this goes underneath. Well, this part right here, I just found out, make sure you don't put a washer right here, because the rubber part need to be sealed tightly against the rim. And if you have this washer, it's going to prevent it from sealing properly, because this acts as a crush washer and it can leak because it's not making a good seal on it. So what you need to do is remove it and just mount this part right here where the rubber is, and when you tighten it, it'll crush against the rim on the bottom and it'll create a tight seal. Now if you have the washer in, this is not going to be a tight seal because there's a little gap within the washer, because it's a plastic piece and not a rubber like this where it squishes it. So make sure don't have that gasket and have your washer on top and the nut. So I'm going to install it. Metal washer on top and the nut, and then tighten it down. When you're tightening the nut down, make sure that rubber piece is tightened and squished onto the rim. See how it's squishing? And that's what you want it to do. Alright, it's tightened. Now I'm going to fill it with air and then I'm going to recheck the valve stem. Fill it up to 32 psi. Alright, it's 32 psi. Alright, now we're going to double check our work. We're going to spray with soap and water around the valve stem area. Make sure there's no bubbles. As you can see, there's no active bubble coming out from the area. And it looks tight and sealed. So don't make the mistake that what I did on my last video, and I forgot to remove this gasket on the rubber part. So make sure to not have extra gasket and just the metal one on top. Alright guys, that's it. If you have any other questions, let me know. Leave it in the comment section and I will answer it as best as I can.